So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adanne and this is Adanne's family. Ooh. So guys, we're making a lot. Like today is Sunday and we're going to prepare for the week for the children for school. And guys, Sunday and Saturday is actually a very big deal for me. So hi, have you subscribed? So guys, I'm making this okra and ogbono soup, same as and stew, because today is Sunday. We have to stock up for the week. Okay, so this is ugu and we have our goat meat. Okay, this is one lap goat meat. Okay, 5k. Yep. Yes, we have our goat meat. Okay, so this goat meat is what I'm going to be using to be cooking this tomato stew. Okay, this tomato stew, I told you guys tomato is good. So when you want to buy tomato, you add a lot of tatashe shombe, pepper, onions, so that the pot go plenty. So just like what I told you guys, we are making okra. Okay, ogbono and okra. So this is ogbono we are going to be using and the okra we are going to be using. So yeah, I already bought the egg for the children, and yeah, these are the things that we are going to be using to to prepare our delicacy. You wanna go? You want? Hey guys, and welcome back to Adanne's family. So guys, today we are making rich man soup and stew for my family. Okay, so I'm making okra soup and then I'm making ogbono soup. But wait, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adanne as usual, and if you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe. Okay, for my 10 subscribers, you guys are just the best. Please turn on your notification first notification so you will not miss any of our videos. Okay, and don't forget to give this video like immediately I just click into a video, just give it like, it goes a long way for the algorithm. So I'm about to start cooking. This is my meat. Okay, but I don't feel like this meat is too big. Okay, so I'm gonna do some work on it, like, which means I'm gonna be reducing them. Okay, sorry for the noise. I'm blending my tomato in the other room. Okay, and my neighbor is playing music, so I'm just going to edit and the noise. I'm so sorry about that.
Your face, you better make you close your eyes. What are they finding level? You get in size. If you carry hammer, babe, now extra large. The money you go pay now extra charge. You go chop up more extra. The wahala go extra. All my babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance. All my babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. All my babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance. All my babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance.
So guys, our meat is ready. So I'm adding water because I'm about to start making our soup. You guys know my normal cooking routine. So I added what are they calling it? My one dry fish. Okay, because it gives it a different taste. So we have goat meat and and one dry fish inside the pot already. Okay. So I'm adding water to the consistency that I want because it's okra and ogbono. So I have to make it to be plenty. because you see for this my house, as we just dey wash okra soup they drop. Now the pot where they wash again, they put okra because oil na wetin children they cause for person. Because that is what they eat. So I just added my enugu oil. This oil is a game changer. Okay. So guys, my tomato is okay. So this is time for me to add my granite oil. So I just added my granite oil. No, you guys, that I'm making double soup for the family. Okay, I'm making double soup, double, everything double. Okay, because that is how I normally do. This is just my normal weekend routine every weekend.
My brother, turn your face. You better make you close your eyes. Water they find him level. You get in size. If you carry hammer, babe, now extra large. The money you go pay now extra charge. You go chop up more extra. The wahala go extra. Hammer babes, high current, full option. Extra package, high maintenance. You get boom. Home babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance. Ige bumba, high current, high maintenance. Ige bumba. Home babes, high current, full option, extra package, high maintenance.
So guys, I'm almost done making the stew. Let me just say I'm done making the stew. So yeah, I've gone to the soup. So I'll have to stand up for the whole hey God. I used to stand up because yeah. So guys, I'm making my okra. So I'm blending in the okra. Man, this thing is so as in it's so strong. Okra no dey fresh again these days. I don't know what is happening. So guys, our soup is suppoing on a soup poto no fe on the fire. So guys, I'm actually done making the stew. So I've gone to face the okra. Okay, I've gone to face the okra, and I am doing it. So I've actually added the okra. No, I've added the ogbono and the pepper, okwe, and everything, opening it because it's actually the best thing that happened to ogbono is to open the pot when you are making it. But when you close it, it will not draw very well as you expected. Okay. So yeah, I'm just trying to blend like blend the okra now because in a little while I'll be adding the ogbono inside. Okay, so this is me churning it. This is me turning the ogbono so that every place we have it, and it will just come out the way I want it. Okay, so I'm just turning it and breaking down the ones that are still there that does not want to be broken. Okay, so yeah, I'm just turning it and breaking it down. And guys, this okra, when I not say my food dey always change, they always change environment. This okra was changing the environment in my house. Okay. So yeah, so it's time for us to go in with our chopped okra. Yeah, so I'm just hitting the ones wey dey outside. Make it for enter inside though. No wasting, no wasting, no wasting. I ain't already waste. You don't waste things. So yeah, I'm just going in with the okra because I told you guys I have a consistency I want for the okra before adding my ogbono. So yeah, I just go in with the ogbono now, and I will allow it to cook together for some time before going in with our ugu. Okay. So guys, I just added my ugu and this is the finishing part because I won't actually allow you to stay too much. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy what you see. These children are with their father, that's why you're hearing their voice. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate. Look at how this is my soup. Oh